Oi, bye. Sorry I've been busy for a bit. And first of all, Happy New Year. Yeah, it's already January 4. So pila na ka days after New Year. Ako greet inyo Merry Christmas ug unsa pa. But I'll try to greet you next time. Ay palood. Pits Senior ahead. Yeah, so it's been busy. Nag-take care ko sa akong main channel which is bisdakvlagger. You can just give it a check. I think yung links above somewhere. And also trying to do some a lot of editing sa akong backlogs because I've been backlogged since forever. And it's been tough because kanang since nagubang akong momentum sa editing and everything else, and I got a lot of stress in life. Excuses, a lot of stress. Namun sa pada. Dugay ta naka-update sa tong vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to put it up here. I'll be uploading videos here, and I don't know. I have to check if nako YouTube channel. Nako. I just have to check if ako'y Bisaya Bai channel sa Facebook. Kasi nakalimot ko. I think I have. But yeah, hassle mo ko kayo ma-upload sa Facebook. Usahay do kayo mo-upload ba? Like muhang siya mo unsa. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to upload it here and put a link there. I'll try to upload here. But yeah, I'm trying to give first priority na ko pag-work on sa akong bisdakvlagger ka vlog. Because I want that to earn more. At the same time also, I'm working on my Facebook bisdakvlagger. So I'm trying to upload there. At the same time, nagatrabaho ko sa akong photography and a bit of videography with clients. I'm doing live stream also. So it's been a lot. But hopefully in the next few videos, I can just put in some content for you guys. So for this case, this is just a greeting video. And also, nakoy pagka-OCD before, I have to upload only one video a day and ako siyang itagi-tagi. So at this point, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try not to be an OCD uploader. So I can upload 2 videos in a day or 3 videos in a day or something like that. I'll just maximize my creativity. Once ganahan ko mag-upload, I'll do that. And yeah, that's it. I just want to tell you also that I'm in good health. Though not fully with mental health, but that's fine. That's normal in this trying times, inflation and everything. I'm still in Melbourne as of this time, and hopefully I can upload more Bisaya videos. Apologize for like you see, it's Bisaya Bai, supposed to be Bisaya, but thing is, kita mga Pilipino, in English unsa ta, naga-Tagalog tagay. So I'm gonna put in some Tagalog, some English, some mixed stuffs for this vlogs because the thing is it's Bisaya is not only a language, it's me myself. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos and hopefully to see you soon this 2024.